Zigzag pattern right there creates the most space that we could possibly get in this bed for this particular plant. What's the name of this plant? Somebody?
Bok Choy.
Good, Bok Choy. Hands in the dirt, you're grounding yourself the same way. Might even be This is where we playing it with the kids in the summer camp. All the Bok Choy. Your child was out here in the science summer camp. Make sure they see this clip. They see this Bok Choy. Beautiful Bok Choy. I know. You see that? See that quality? That's the soil. That's the love. Got some recipes about Bok Choy in our recipe book. Y'all could buy my recipe book. We got a recipe book. Y'all probably didn't even know. The first 25 people that sign up for the Grow Your Own Garden Club are going to get the recipe book free. It's included. So the first thing I do is bust down the tough part of the Bok Choy. Yep, get a little bit of those onions in there. Yeah, got that. You know, a little light saute going on. The hard stuff getting soft. Okay, you got it in there. Turn that flame down. Mix. You want all that flavor to mix all the way done. Yeah. Time to eat.